Bulavinaka. My name is Aisia. Today I'll be taking a lesson on the Fijian alphabets. So please listen, and then you can replay the video, and then you can repeat after me as I read out each of the Fijian alphabets. We call it the Matuavosa. So please listen and then replay the video, and I will give you some hints at the end of the video, the particular alphabets that students struggle with, and some very simple hints to getting it correct. Vinaka.
A, ba, va, da, e, fa, nga, i, cha, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ga, ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya.
Now there's 5 particular alphabets or the Matuavosa that students struggle with. The first one is ba. So imagine there's an M in front of the B, so it's ba, ba. The next one students struggle with is the C. Uh, some say ka or sa, but it's the. It's like the TH in the English language. So it's the. The next one is the D, which is da, da. Imagine there's an N in front of the D, so there's a soft N there, so it's da, da. The other one that is G, so it's nga, nga. If you're struggling with the G and you can't say the nga, then try saying sing, sing, and then add the er at the end, so it becomes singer, a singer. And then take out the C, and it's nga. So singer, nga. And the last one is the Q, and that's pronounced nga, nga. Thank you for listening, and please watch our other videos. Enjoy your learning the Fijian language. Vinaka.